So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a Pinterest post here on the Visme mobile application. So once you're into the Visme app, go to the bottom right and press on the blue circle with the plus icon. Under project type, I want you to press on where it says social media. Press on that. Now where it says Facebook ads, which is currently selected, I want you to slide this bar all the way to the right until you come across an option that says Pinterest post. So keep scrolling past the LinkedIn, right here, Pinterest post. I want you to go ahead and press on that. Now what this does is that first off, it creates a proper dimension size for a Pinterest post. So as you can tell by pressing this, you have a 1000 by 1500 dimension. So what you can do now is actually scroll down a little bit and either press on a blank template if you want. So what this does is it keeps the same dimensions, but you can add whatever you want, or what you can do is base this off of a prior template that is created within this Visme application. So if you wanted to create one, or you like this one right here, we'll use this one as an example, live in the moment and make it beautiful. Just go ahead and press on that. It's now going to take a couple seconds to actually load this template into your project. And once that is done, so which you can tell right now, as you can go ahead and edit this if you want. So first off, you can zoom in to make it a little bit brighter or to make it a little bit larger, so you can edit it a little bit easier. You can add different stuff, you can add different text, whatever the case may be. Get creative. This is your Pinterest post, but pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can create a Pinterest post here on the Visme mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.